Hi, I'm Bob Swainhart from Constellation HomeBuilder Systems, and I want to personally invite you to join us at Build Smarter 2025. This year, it's November 17th through 19th in beautiful Carlsbad, California. We are presenting some major innovations across both NEWSTAR and NX. Whether or not you're optimizing current workflows, exploring the future of ERP, you'll find deep dives, hands-on labs, and real builder stories that bring these solutions to life. We've designed 4 powerhouse tracks for you, 2 for NEWSTAR packed with best practices and advanced feature dives, 2 for NX where you'll find a chance to follow a builder's journey starting with sales through production, construction, service, and finance, all in one seamless experience. And our keynote speakers are not to be missed. Kai-Han Krippendorf will challenge us to outthink the competition. Ali Wolf will provide insights in the current state of the home building market as well as the economy and provide a little bit of insight in what we might be able to expect in 2026 and beyond. It's more than a conference. If you've attended Build Smarter in the past, you know it's a chance to learn, recharge, and most importantly, connect with your friends and colleagues around the industry. I hope to see you there.